Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix the context not showing in WhatsApp. It's actually a very simple tutorial that works pretty much the same way on Android and on an iOS device. But make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new, and let's start. So if you are having the context not showing issue in WhatsApp, what you want to do is go over to your settings. You want to go down and find WhatsApp, which will probably be down below because it's WhatsApp. Here it is. You want to click on it and you want to make sure that the context option right here is toggled on. If it's not, obviously your phone will not allow WhatsApp to access your contacts due to privacy restrictions. Next thing you want to do is go up to privacy and security. In your settings app, you want to click on contacts and you want to make sure they're enabled in WhatsApp here as well. Next thing you want to do in your settings tab is go over to your screen time right here. You want to click on it and you want to click on content privacy restrictions. You want to make sure there's no restrictions, especially for contacts right here for WhatsApp. Next thing is maybe they're not downloaded from your iCloud. So you want to go to your menu with the first option right here with your name. You want to click here. You want to click on the iCloud option right here. From there, you want to go to show all. Please click there. And here you actually have contacts. So you want to have that on, not off. So it's actually synced up and people on WhatsApp. You basically have everyone from WhatsApp. So this pretty much sums all of the fixes. If you're still having this issue, please comment down below and I'll try to help you out in the comment section down below. Like the video if it helped you out, and I want to see you in the next one. Bye.